Are you ready to make your HubSpot account even more powerful and personalized? Adding your phone number to HubSpot is a small step with a big impact. It helps you verify your account, enables better communication, and streamlines contact management. In this quick guide, I'll show you the foolproof way to add your phone number to your HubSpot account in 2025. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Profile and Preferences. This is where all your personal account settings are located. Next, look for the section labeled Security or Account Information. Depending on your HubSpot version, this might slightly vary. Here you'll find an option to add or edit your phone number. Click Add Phone Number. A pop-up window will appear where you'll enter your country code first, then your phone number. Make sure you use a number that's active and accessible because HubSpot will send you a verification code to confirm ownership. Once you've entered the number, click Send Code. Check your phone for the code. Usually it arrives within seconds via SMS. Enter the code into the verification field and hit Verify. And that's it. Your phone number is now linked to your HubSpot account. From here on, you can use it for two-factor authentication, recovery, or even improved contact syncing across HubSpot tools. If you ever need to update your number, just follow the same steps and click Edit next to your phone number. HubSpot makes it quick and secure so you're always in control of your account information. And that's how simple it is to add your phone number to HubSpot in 2025. A verified phone number means better security, smoother communication, and a more reliable HubSpot experience. If this guide helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more quick HubSpot tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to help.